Welcome to Intellify. Define asexual reproduction. In this video, we will see what is asexual reproduction and what are the two methods of asexual reproduction. There are two types of reproduction occurring in organisms: sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. How asexual reproduction is different from sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, unions of gametes takes place and the young ones are not an exact copy of their parents. That means in asexual organisms, offspring are an exact copy of their parents and it does not require union of gametes. Asexual reproduction is not as good as sexual reproduction because it does not have variation or has very minimum variations among the offspring, due to which diversity among the population is very low. Reproduction rate in asexual organisms is very high as they do not depend on another mate to reproduce. Mostly, single cell organisms fall in these categories, for example bacteria, protosis, etc. It is also practiced by some plants, animals and fungi. Let's discuss two methods of asexual reproduction to get a clear picture about the process. Binary fission. As name suggests, it involves separation of the body into two parts. Binary fission is defined as the separation of genetic material or DNA and cytoplasmic content known as cytokinesis into two parts, each organism receiving one part of genetic content. Binary fission depends further upon cell axis of an organism, temperature, pH, light, etc. The best way to understand this procedure is through amoeba reproduction. Amoeba is a unicellular organism. After replicating its genetic material through mitotic division, the cell divides into two equal-sized daughter cells. The division of cytoplasm follows the division of the nucleus. So, two amoebae are produced from a single parent and the parent's identity is technically lost. Budding. In budding, organisms grow from a small part of a parent's body. When an offspring attains the maximum size, it gets detached from the parent's body, leaving scars behind, and the offspring is an exact copy of their parents. For example, hydra and yeast. Budding in hydra. Hydra is a freshwater organism. It has a tubular body which is composed of head, distal end and foot. Hydra has a small bud which is developed from its parent hydra through the repeated mitotic division of its cells. The small bud then receives its nutrition from the parent hydra and grows healthy. Finally, the small newly produced hydra gets separated from its parent hydra and becomes an independent organism. Some of the asexual reproducing animals are considered immortal like amoeba. Amoeba does not have natural death. It just gets divided into two daughter cells. There are no remains of the parent's body and the parents do not die. They just live their further life in two daughter cells. Thank you for watching, and for more such content, subscribe to our channel.